Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little drone flight I just did. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but looks like I ended the flight a little prematurely, guys. I got 2 bars of battery left, so what I'm doing is just running it to empty. So, you know, it just helps the battery. So that's a little tip. You know, if you have these kind of batteries, lithium batteries, try to use it all up before you recharge it again. You know, just conserves the capacity of the battery, guys. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I don't know how much you guys can see, so I do apologize. There's my cell phone, and there is a trusty old DJI Phantom 3, guys. Yep, I still have the older version, but you know what, guys? It has performed, you know, very, very well. Even after, I think, 2 or 3 crashes already, guys. It is a champion. It's very, very durable, and the stability is really good. So, but yeah, you know, eventually, soon, you know, if I can afford it, I want to get the Mavic Pro 2 or something like that. So a little bit smaller, so I can, you know, travel light. But for the time being, I got my trusty old Phantom. Alright guys, peace. Eliza, what are you eating over there?
Papaya, Mom said.
Hmm? Papaya, Mom said. Wow, guys, pickled papayas. Woo! Jess, what's going on? Oh, we forgot to buy did you guys buy oil?
No, you never told me that.
Oh
no more.
my goodness, no oil. Sorry about that, guys.
You forgot to tell
No
me. Come on, son.
Energy.
Hurry up.
Energy.
Come back right there. After this one.
Energy. Yeah. Energy.
Nah.
What's up, guys? Liza,
Romeo,
what's
come on.
going on over here, Liza?
We're gonna unbox them.
What? I can't even understand. What? What's going on?
We're gonna unbox fan mail.
Fan mail, guys. Woo! We've got fan mail.
More.
What? We've got fan mail. Right, Jess?
Mm-hmm.
We're waiting on Mr. Romeo. Romeo! Come on!
Hurry up.
Come on, Romeo! So yeah, guys, it is fan mail time once again. We've got 2 to unbox today, right, Liza? And we are super, super excited. Thank you very much for sending those
Come on, son.
gifts,
Hurry up, son.
right? Those gifts
I guess
to
so.
us. Yeah, we're totally excited. We love
Okay,
gifts,
we're
so
gonna
just
turn up
send
the
them over. Our P.O. box is down in the description. Every time we have fan mail, we will show it to you guys, right? We will show the unboxing action, right, Liza? Yeah? Jess, are we gonna show the unboxing action here?
Come on, face.
Yeah?
Hey, the kids. I'm busy eating.
You're busy eating. What are you eating?
Pickle.
You are
Papaya.
eating pickle? All right. Okay, Romeo, come on.
Hurry up, son.
Romeo.
Itchy.
Where
Sour.
is he? Romeo, come on, let's unbox.
Come on. Just pass
Let's
it
go.
on
Come
first.
on, son. Hurry up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, get that thing out of the way, honey.
This one's mine.
Like slacking off with this unboxing.
Rah, rah, rah.
All right. Come on. Bring it over here. Yeah. Mm.
Not for you.
All right. Woohoo. We got 2. Get this out of the way. Oh my goodness. Hey.
Okay.
These people. Okay. All right. Okay. You guys, what's going on here?
Unboxing.
Huh? Okay. And then the first one. Who's gonna unbox? Well, actually,
Me.
I actually opened it already.
Me?
Hmm? Yeah.
I'm opening this. No, this one.
Okay. You gonna open that one? All right, guys. Ooh, what we got? What we got? What we got?
Hot.
Yeah.
Hold that.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see who sent this. Well, I don't know. We don't want to say. Maybe they don't want to be
Okay.
mentioned. But it is dun, 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 a hat. Check it out, guys.
But don't touch this one.
Ooh, it is A Detroit Tigers hat, guys. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, video me. Video me. Yeah.
Oh, that.
Yeah, look at this, guys.
cool.
Oh, thank you so much. Woo.
What is this?
Me,
Chocolate.
how do I look, Eliza? Do I need to make it tighter or what?
Okay.
Good.
Good?
Chocolate guy.
All
This is like
right.
dark.
Detroit Tigers snap.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it's actually a snapback, so it's really, really cool. Yeah, I love snackbacks. Ears in or ears out?
In.
In? Okay, let me try. How's that, guys?
Mm.
Ooh.
Bold.
What? Talking about looking bold. I got a snapback. Thank you very much to our to one of our subscribers, I guess, who sent it. I don't think there's a name. It's from Amazon, but it says to paradise to paradise.
No, it's
Yeah.
not.
We had a special note.
No, that's from that. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Eliza, for handling the camera. So yeah, thank you again. Thank you again. Very, very much. We do appreciate it. So they're opening up the other box already. All right, guys. So you guys are opening up the other box?
Hi, Drago.
Hey, Draco, what's going on? Oh, you're getting bold, Draco. Okay, so the other box contains what?
Wow. So we have a note. I want to read it.
Whoa! What we got?
We got a note.
Okay, you can read it, Ethan. So hold on, okay?
Oh, cherry jam.
Hold on, Ethan.
It's a cherry jam.
Okay, let's see here.
Updates.
We got cherry jam.
Jam.
Okay. Look at that. Thank you very much. Can't wait to eat that.
Cherry's chocolate. Oh my
Cherry Republic.
God. Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Ooh, I want to try that. Can I try one of those? Yeah.
Good.
Chocolate.
Okay, guys. Okay, let me flip the camera.
You like all chocolate, nothing in.
Mmm.
Mom, you have to share that. I love it. You have to share
Chocolate
it.
is good.
Dad,
Okay, so I came.
you have to shape it. Put it in there.
And also, look at that, guys.
Oh, wow. Bom chang chongka.
Boom chunka cookie.
Whoa.
Give me cookie.
Yay!
I will be trying this.
Yeah, let's give that a
Let's
try
finish it,
also.
the one, baby. I'm eating. Oh, this is good.
Okay, so Ethan boy's gonna read the letter. It came with what is that? Like a coin?
Angel.
Came in a coin.
Angel coin.
Come over here, Ethan. Come over here.
It's always all the time is putting.
Okay. Wait. Let me see.
They don't pop.
Hold on.
Yeah, the
Okay. Well, just read it up to this. Don't
can't
say,
really read it.
don't say their name. Oh my
Can't read
goodness.
script.
Okay. Well. Okay. Don't say their name though. Okay.
Where's this dead? This dead.
Okay. Go ahead. Read it.
Is that
Yes.
what I think it is?
Okay, dear Robert, Jessie, and the kiddos.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy this little tasty of Michigan as much as we enjoy the taste of Kauai. That's it.
Lovely.
We had hoped to see you around Kapaa. Where's this one? What is this?
What?
When we use around Kapaa. I don't know. I'm lost already, honey.
What? You don't know how to read?
I'm lost. My eyes
Oh
sore.
my goodness. Ethan, read it.
Okay.
Oh my God, you guys. Seriously?
I can't read
There,
script, man. I'm second.
This in March. I know you had something planned when we invite you to
Night
Night
Island.
Island. So I
Oh,
hope you
yeah.
and Jess will be able to meet up with us when we visit again in March 2020.
Yeah. We'll make it a point. Yeah.
Yeah, we love watching your blog. And that's it. Sending a little angel to protect all of you.
Yay!
Little angel, thank you.
Oh, look at that little angel, guys.
It's a little angel. It's a good
Thank
luck.
you
My life
very
make it too,
much.
Mom.
Yeah. Once again, I do apologize that we couldn't meet up that one time. I just had a family party to go to, but the next time, 2020, I'll make it a point to meet up, and we will meet up, guys. Thank you.
Let's put in the bread.
I am walking.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there actually was a small little note in the Amazon box that this hat came in, and it says, enjoy your videos and appreciate all effort it takes to produce them. Hat, but it got cut off on the left side, so it says local team Detroit Tigers. We visited your beautiful island. We'll be back in July. From Travis and Michael, and it can't see the last name here. It got cut off. But thank you very much, Travis and Michael. Really do appreciate the hat. It's a snapback and it's so awesome. Totally love snapbacks. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be rocking this for a while. So thank you very much, guys.
Wow, tiger.
And yeah, hit us up when you're back here. That's in July. Is it this year or next year? Yeah, if you guys are here next month, just hit me up. The best way is either email me. My email address is down in the description, or message me in Instagram, Paradise to Paradise. All right, guys, thank you. You guys ready to say thank you on 3? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you to all subscribers and giving this. It's really appreciated. It's really good. I tried to open it, but it's hard. I want to eat it.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, just continue giving goodies. We do appreciate it. We love opening up fan mail. The more the better. The kiddos love it.
I know. Open it.
With hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about,